Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Escape. Stock number is A6807. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top, you do have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise as well as audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.